Want to make sure your games and apps always run on your NVIDIA GPU instead of the weaker integrated graphics? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to force Windows to use your NVIDIA GPU for any program, maximizing performance and stability. First of all, go to Search and type Device Manager and then select it from the list. There, expand Display Adapters. Here you can see I have two graphics adapter. NVIDIA is dedicated graphics and other AMD is integrated graphics. This NVIDIA is more powerful than AMD graphics, so let's make changes so that every application uses NVIDIA graphics for all tasks. For this, go to Search and type NVIDIA Control Panel. Next, select it from the list. Next, click on Manage 3D Settings on the left pane. Under Preferred Graphics dropdown, just select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. After that, click on Apply. Now onward, all the application starts using NVIDIA graphics processor for all the tasks. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.